Okay, so task quick open history controls the number of recent items tracked in task quick open dialog. So if you press Shift Command P and you choose run task, you're going to have a list of recently used tasks, and this setting controls the number of recently used tasks that will show up here. Now, um, I do find this setting to be useful, but usually I just want to know the last one, right? So I either choose an option from the automatically detected tasks, or I just want to run the last task that I ran uh, before again. And if you have a really big history, it's going to pollute this menu, right? And you will only get to the detected tasks or configured tasks in at the bottom, right? So actually what I prefer to do is to set this to 1 so that when I run a task, the why is it not showing that? So let's build, and there's a mistake, an error there that I created purposefully. All right, okay, so it's showing again. So I just want to know the last task that I ran so that I don't have to press the down arrow or use the mouse to click it, and I can just use the keyboard. So I'm leaving this setting set to 1.